This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the Accelerated Intro to CS course, and I'm on the lesson The Farmer. Woohoo! Let's see what we're doing. Hi, I'm a farmer. I need your help to flatten the field on my farm so it's ready for planting. Move me to the pile of dirt and use the remove block to remove it. Okay. So, I see a little bit of dirt here, and now we have 2 blocks of code, and we can use up to 6. So let me go ahead, I'm going to drop and move forward and hit run. I'm not sure how many spaces this will be. Oh, okay. And notice code always runs in order. So it looks like it's one more space, and then can I remove it? I think I'm going to use remove 1. I might not be far enough. The nice thing is you can always be wrong with code. Oh, see, I dug a hole here, so obviously I didn't do enough of those. Let's give this a shot. Oh, woohoo! Awesome. I got it. And notice that the code ran in order. It always runs one block, next block, next block. All right, let's keep going.